fam? What's good, fam? What's happening? Myself, I'm doing all right, fam. I'm doing all right. Now, today, bro, I ain't here for some funny business. Today, I'm here with something informative for y'all. My boy, Winky D, the gaffer, has done it again, yo. Has done it again. Oh, man. Out there represent. He's out there doing his thing at the AFRIMA Awards, son. Representing, doing what it does, man. Now, congratulations to Winky D, y'all. Congratulations. You guys check out the video.
J'ai le plaisir de vous présenter en tant que présidente de Afrique, the best male artist from Southern Africa.
Meilleur artiste masculin en Afrique du Sud. Et les nominés sont
Aries, couldn't have said it better.
Couldn't have said it better.
Blackie,
Sneaky, so sneaky, How we freaking,
DJ Tariko, #1. Gemini Major, ooh la la. Focalistic, 16 days, no sleep. Kabza the Small, Abalele. Musketeers, Danko. Master KG, Dalingui. Winky D, Happy Again. Ziggs Bantwini, Osama.
And the winner is Winky D from Zimbabwe.
Yo, man, how you gonna call my boy Windy, man? How you gonna call my boy Windy, y'all? Y'all got jokes, man, for sure. Nah, my boy named Winky D, y'all. He's a Zim dancer artist from Zimbabwe, y'all. And he's just gotten the Southern African Best Male Award with his song Happy Again, man. Do you see y'all see the lineup there, man? The nominees, y'all. You had Aries in there, you got my boy Master KG in there, man, you've got Kabza in there, man, Gemini Major, man, Winky D, man, man, you did it, y'all. Kudos to you, man. You did it yet again, showing that you are the godfather of Zim dancehall, y'all. All right, man. Anyway, that is it, fam. Winky D, man, representing Zim, representing Southern Africa, taking Zim dancehall to the world. Tall ups to you, man. I know some people be hating. I see some of y'all. But keep doing what you do, boy. Enough respect. That is it from your boy Bless, man. This is a Bless review. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'm out.